And just when you thought the P's were done, they come back again. What I want to do on pages 82 and 83 in your book, and I'm going to hold this up as best I can for you so that you can hopefully see this a little bit. Box number 1, you were to already draw that blank empty box. What I want you to do in box number 2, and it's very difficult to see this, I'm sure, from where you're at, you'll notice that there is 2 blank lines with red letters on the left side in box number 2. Put a capital R on the first line and a small r on the second line. This is going to represent your male and your female population, all right, your male and female chromosomes. And then what they would like you to do in box number 3 is only deal with what's on the left side of your boxes. You have a capital blue R and a small blue R. On the first 2 boxes, they would like you to put capital R's, and you'll notice the red arrow near the capital blue R. What they would like you to do is put a capital R in the first box, put a capital R in the second box. On the bottom 2 squares, put 2 small r's. All of those 4 chromosomes that you just put in there represent the female. And what they're going to do next in box number 4, the green R, the green capital R, and the small lowercase r, this is actually going to represent the male. And so in the first box where you have a capital blue R, put a capital R again. And that capital R is the green R this time. Notice the lowercase green r above the second box. You're going to put that lowercase r beside the capital blue R in the top right-hand box. Then on the bottom line, same situation. This time you have a small r and a small r already in both of those bottom boxes. You're going to go and put a capital green R from the first set in the left-hand side box, in the left-hand bottom box, and you're going to put a small green R in the box on the right-hand side on the bottom. And so when you're finished, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like box number 5. You're going to have 2 capital R's. You're going to have a large R and a small r. Then on the bottom line, you're going to have a large R and a small r. And then finally, you're going to have 2 lowercase r's, which is recessive. These are your P's that we were talking about. Notice 25% are purebred dominant, and they're indicated by 2 large capital R's. 50% are dominant smooth again, but this time capital R, small r, and then the recessive wrinkled one. And the only way wrinkled can be is by having 2 recessive chromosomes, is in the last box, and that represents 25%. So it's a 25, 50, 25 ratio, or if you're talking about dominant traits, 75%, 3 of those boxes will have that dominant smooth P, and 25% will be wrinkled. Folks, that's the Punnett square. That's how they work. I'm hoping this helps you when you go to do the actual written exercises that are in the book, both on page 82 and also on page 83 where it says assess your understanding. All right, thank you, and again, as always, eat your P's, please.